Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to talk to you all about this month's Birchbox. I have signed up to Birchbox now for 3 months, so I'm kind of getting a gist of how things work now, so I just wanted to show you what's in June's. If you're signed up to Birchbox and you haven't had yours yet and you don't want to know what's in it, then please don't watch this just yet, but once you've opened it, please do comment below and let me know what you think to the products. Also, just FYI, I've got a bit of a half cold at the minute, so it's not quite out, but it's kind of like lingering, so if I start doing a weird voice, I'm not trying to do some sort of sexy phone voice, it's just going a little bit rusty. So firstly, if you're not too sure what Birchbox is, it's kind of like a box that you get every month and it's full of products. You usually get one full-size product of something and then the rest are all kind of miniatures, so it's just kind of to give you a bit of a taster and see what you like and kind of test things. I have actually found some really good products that have been in here that I wouldn't have necessarily bought before because I hadn't heard of them or weren't sure what they were. So I think it is really good for kind of getting new products out there and getting people to kind of test things that they normally wouldn't have. I know that there's other similar ones out there, so I think Glossybox is quite a big one at the moment. I personally have never used it, but I am thinking about maybe doing it for a month just to kind of compare them and see if Glossybox is any good. So if you've ordered from Glossybox, please do let me know what you think to it. And I think they look fantastic. Do one. There's a few more that companies do as well. So yeah, I've signed up for Birchbox for now. The main thing that caught me on Birchbox is actually the boxes. So this is June's. So let me just pull that in for you. So they've worked with Paperchase this month, and look how lovely that looks. It's a proper summer theme. It's a bit kind of like Instagram with all the pictures on. I actually loved getting this because the weather this week has been rubbish. It's been raining all week, so getting this through the door was actually a nice little ray of sunshine coming through, so it was just really nice, and the pictures are just absolutely beautiful. Sorry, that's in focus now. You've just got kind of pictures of like beaches and sunsets, and they're just lovely colours. You've got a few quotes on here, life with a view, throwback, all the kind of holiday related things. So yeah, I really like that. So that's I'm working with Paperchase. Let me just quickly show you last month. So what are we in now? May. So May's box was this, all the cute little butterflies, and it opened in a drawer like this. I won't go through everything that was in May because you've probably seen it, and I've used half of them. Sorry, my voice is going. And then this was April's box, which I really liked. All this kind of like funky colour, and then that opened up this way. Again, I won't go through it because I've used half of them, but yeah, I just really love the boxes. So I kind of run a beauty business sort of on the side, so I tend to use those boxes. I keep them and I can put things in, so I think they're really cute. So back to June's. Really love this box, and then you kind of open it this way and we can go and see what's in it. So with every box you get a leaflet, and in the leaflet it kind of just explains everything in here. So this is really good because obviously sometimes there's products in here that you'll have never heard of, so this actually explains what they do. So on the front you always have a cute little quote. So here it says this is the life, and you've got Birchbox and Paperchase here. And then yeah, everything detailed in there, and then on the back you kind of, they always have like competitions like share your Birchbox and things like that. So here is how everything is packed in the box, all nice and cute. So the first product I'm going to show you because I absolutely love, so this is the full size one that you get, and it's Louise Cosmetics. Hadn't heard of them before, but I absolutely love this. So I got this yesterday and I've already tried some stuff on this morning, so that's why I wanted to show you this. So yeah, so this is the full size one. So it's a lip crayon, so it comes out like that, and if you just take it off, you've just got that. So this is in plum colour, and this is the colour that I have on. I love this. So it's proper smooth and it just really glides straight on. I put this on this morning. I've had a cup of tea and biscuits since, and it's stayed on. I am so impressed, and like I said, I have never heard of these before, so this is why Birchbox is so good, because I've now fell in love with something that I normally wouldn't have ever tried before. Yeah, so I absolutely love this. So this is the first thing that you get in your box. It comes in 2 colours, so you can refer back to your leaflet. It comes in either plum or gala. Gala's like the red colour. I'm so glad that I got this colour. I think you are actually supposed to log on and choose the colours that you get. I always forget. So luckily they've just chosen one for me, and it was the perfect colour because I don't really suit red. Yeah, so I just absolutely love this. So it's called Louise. It's these, so at the bottom of here they have all like little facts about the product. So this is cruelty free, vegan friendly, and free from parabens, which is amazing. So yeah, I just really love this. Yeah, this is in the plum colour. You can see here it just glides on, it stayed on. So glad that I found that, and I love that it's in full size too. So that's the first product that you get. So the next one I'm going to get onto, we tend to get like quite a few benefit products in these, which I absolutely love. So the next one is this. This is the smaller size version, so it's just a little one like that, but it's Benefits Gimme Brow. I've got it on again this morning. I love bushy brows. I tend to leave them so that they end up out of control. So this is really good because it does kind of make them bushier, but it also dyes them and tames them a bit too. So if they are looking a bit wild, this will kind of just help tame them. I'm sure lots of people have used this before. I love that it comes in a trial size because if you haven't used it before, it's really good to try. Obviously I'm happy with the full size product, but I think this is just really cool and handy, and even though it's only little, that will go such a long way. So this one, it comes in lots of different shades, and it's actually the #1 selling prestige eyebrow product in the UK, and I can totally see why. So that's the second product that you get in your Birchbox in June. The third product, which again is something that I hadn't heard of before, so this is called Paul & Joe, and it's moisturising foundation primer. I again used this morning. It went on really well, so I put it just on my chin and my nose. I usually use Benefits Pore Professional. This seemed to do just a great job. You can't see my pores on my nose. I tend to get quite a dry nose as well, so the fact that this is moisturising is really good because hopefully it will kind of help my dry nose. So apparently this primer was shortlisted for Best Base in the Birchbox Beauty Awards 2018. So it must be pretty good. I hadn't heard of Paul & Joe before, but if you have, please let me know and let me know what their products are like. Yeah, it just comes in a cute little bottle like that. Look at that. I think that's really cute. I got mine's in shade 01. I don't know if it just comes in one different shade or if there's different shades, but that was perfect for me. So yeah, really good fan of that. And yeah, if you want more information, I won't read through all of them, but there's just more information on each product in your box. I've kind of forgot to say the prices as well, so let me just go back. So this lip crayon is worth £20 full price. Wow. And you got that completely free, full size. That's amazing. The Benefit Brow is usually £21.50, and then the Paul & Joe is usually £24. So all of that, and you're getting it all, and it's only £10 a month, so you've got all of this, which is like you're saving loads. So the next thing I'm going to go on to is Mine Tan. So this is Invisible Colour Everyday Glow Gradual Tan Lotion. We all need a bit of tan, especially since it's been raining all week, but in the summer obviously everyone wants that glow. So this comes like that. That's actually quite a big tube. I think that will go quite a long way. I haven't tried this yet, but I definitely will do. It just comes in like that. Sorry, my camera's a bit rubbish at focusing, so just tell me if you can't see. But yeah, so that's how it looks there. And in here it says Mine Tan, which is the make, what this is called, is Australia's #1 tanning brand. Didn't know that, and I'd never heard of it. So yeah, so Mine Tan. I will let you know what I think to that. If you've used any of these before, please let me know and let me know what you think. But yeah, it looks like it goes quite a nice colour here. So it's quite nice with a gradual one as well, because sometimes in the summer, like if you just want to build up to a colour, you can just put them on your legs every day and stuff. So I'm really looking forward to using that. That is normally £17.99. And then the last thing in the box is chlorine, I'm going to call it. Again, I haven't heard of this before, but it's a anti-pollution shampoo, which we know that's amazing at the minute, especially how aware everyone's suddenly becoming of like the world and the pollution and everything like that. So I have, even myself, I've been kind of conscious to look out for stuff like that. So this has got aquatic mint in it, and it's usually £8. So yeah, it's a anti-pollution shampoo, so I'm really looking forward to using that, especially like my hair's dyed, and so it kind of gets a bit ruined sometimes, so I have to be careful what I put on it. So hopefully this will kind of do it some good. And apparently Chloraine's hair care solutions use pure plant extracts, so that's pretty impressive. I like that a lot. So yeah, so that's everything that you get in it. If you go on to buy the full size products, you get 10% off, and then once you've got 6 Birchboxes, you get 15% off, so that's even better. And then also in the box as well, you've got a leaflet here which gets you 20% off Paper Chase. So you've got one for you and one for a friend, which is really cool as well. So so yeah, I love Paper Chase, so I'm definitely going to use that. So yeah, so that's everything in June's Birchbox. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're signed up to Birchbox and what you thought, or if you're thinking about it. Like I said, it's only £10 a month. Sometimes they do codes for your first one that's a bit cheaper, and you get all of this great stuff in it. And I'm so glad that I've just found some kind of products that I never would have found before. So yeah, so that's this month's. Let me know if you've had yours and what you think to it, and if not, if you're thinking about it, let me know, and I will see you soon. I just had to stop halfway through filming because my cat decided to jump on me. Hey baby.